Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to plot a CV graph using Origin software. First, open your data file. You will see multiple cycles at different scan rates 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 all the way to 100 millivolt per second. For this tutorial, we will only use scan rates from 10 to 50 millivolt per second. Now look at the data for 10 millivolt per second scan rate. You will notice two curves, curve 1 and curve 2. You will neglect the first cycle. From the second cycle onward, the system is stable and reproducible, so we will use curve 2. So select all the data points from the second cycle, copy it and paste it into an Excel sheet. Okay, here you pasted all the data points. For CV, we only need two columns, that is potential in volts and current in ampere. Now open Origin software and create a new workbook. Paste the potential column into column A. This will be your x-axis. Next, go back to Excel, copy the current column for 10 mV per second and paste it into column B in Origin. Also, the potential range is same for all scan rates, so we only need to copy the voltage column once. From the 10 mV per second data, we will use the same potential column for every scan rate. Repeat this for 20, 30, 40 and 50 mV, pasting each current column into columns C, D, E and F. Sometimes an issue comes when you copy-paste the data to Excel. The data columns become haphazard, so you have to double-check the desired voltage and current columns. If wrong columns are selected, the CV will be wrong. So column A is potential, which is constant, and columns B to F are current values for each scan rate from 10 to 50 mV per second. This will be your y-axis. Here our potential is measured versus the reference electrode we used in the experiment. To make our data comparable, we need to convert it to reversible hydrogen electrode RHE. We will use the Nernst equation for voltage column. Okay, here as you can see, the current of all the scan rates, that is 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 is pasted. Now you have to label their names so that you can identify them easily. Click on column A to select it, then press Ctrl+Q on your keyboard to open the dialog box. In the formula box, type column A plus 0.244 plus 0.059 into 14. 14 is the pH of your electrolyte. Let me explain this formula. 0.244 volts is the standard potential of our reference electrode, which was AgAgCl in this case. As mentioned earlier, 14 is the pH of our electrolyte because we used 1 molar KOH, and 0.059 is the Nernst constant. Click OK to apply. Now column A is converted to RHE scale. Now we are ready to plot. Select all your data from column A to column F. Go to line at the bottom. Origin will generate your CV plot. Right click the legend and edit the key to 10 mV per second, 20, 30, 40 and 50 mV per second. You can also adjust line colors, thickness and font size as you want. Now we will label this graph where the x-axis is voltage versus RHE, which is potential. And the y-axis is current in amperes. In the next video, we will calculate the CDL and ECSA. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.